In this video, we got the Aquila. This is a solid flamed maple. There's a super cool Florentine cutaway there. The actual model number is, I gotta read it because it's pretty long. KA, Aquila, ASFM, solid flame maple, I believe, -T, tenor, -C, cutaway. Anyway, this is one of their brand new ones. They're already sold out. I happen to have 2 of these tenors here. Very cool. I'm going to go over this. I'm going to play it, show you all the details, and I'm going to name it as well. All right, so the name of this one is called Heartbreaker, and this was actually named for during one of the Instagram videos when I did the unboxing. These are brand new from Aquila, super cool, super nice, super warm sounding. It's just really kind of nice, and it's not overly like bright. It's just super mellow sounding. All right, so let me play a little bit for you. So what I notice about this, well, first of all, it's just really kind of a cool looking ukulele. So you have the solid flame maple, and the flame, when they refer to that, they're referring to the wood grain that's going this way, not the normal wood grain that goes this way, but the flames that go, so I can capture a little bit this way. Really cool. You have purple wood, or Purpleheart, I think it's called actually, wood, as this binding, which is pretty cool. I don't even know if I've heard of that before. You also have the flame maple on the sides, and this is solid wood. This is not laminate, and also the solid flame maple on the back. So that in itself, the maple tends to give a little bit of a mellower tone. If you notice, like those big Gibson acoustic guitars, like the ones Elvis used to play, those are made out of maple, and they help kind of give it a little bit of a warmer sound. You do have a nice maple. It's not a flame maple, but just a nice solid maple neck. And this is a really cool neck here, just really light, nice and satin finish. By the way, the whole instrument here is satin. You have the striped ebony fretboard, which I love. I think it sounds great. You got the NuBone nut here, and also the saddle. So yeah, just a really nice instrument. And then really what makes it stand out, I think, too, is this cutaway right here. This Florentine cutaway, just this really kind of this sharp edge, just makes it look really sharp. All right, so let me play a little bit for you. And just a little out of tune. That's what happens with new strings. By the way, speaking of strings, we got the Aquila super Nylgut strings, and this one has a high G on it. Can very easily be replaced for a low G. Oh, I almost forgot. Super nice tuners here. These nice black accented tuners, and it's nice, just really nice, smooth. A lot smoother than a lot of the Aquila, the tuners. Anyway, this is a great instrument. I'm digging this. Like I said, I got 2 of these from the first order. They're already sold out, so I don't even know when the next shipment is coming in. But let's talk about some of the benefits here at ukelikethepros, because I'm not only a store but also an educational website for ukulele learning. We try to incorporate a lot of stuff here that a lot of other dealers can do. So one, with the purchase of this instrument, you get a free course at ukelikethepros.com. We got tons of courses over there that you can choose from. We got memberships as well. Those are different and extra, but you can choose one of the courses, and then hopefully we'd love to see you in one of the memberships. Also, you get the Aquila gig bag with this. It actually doesn't come with anything. It just comes in a box. I'll throw in a padded gig bag, and if you want to upgrade to a nice Aquila hardshell cases, I got some really nice ones. That's just going to be a small fee. It's a huge discount if you once you buy the ukulele, if you want to add that hardshell case onto it as well. I will ship this thing in the US through UPS, 100% insured. That way it protects our investment. And I will ship it internationally as well, USPS, and I also insure it through them as well. So anyway, just a great instrument. Let me go ahead and play just a little bit more, and then we'll take it out of here. All right, so anyway, this is the Aquila. You're gonna make me say the model number again, I know. This is a flame maple, solid flame maple. Let me see if I remember it. KA-ASFM-T-C. This is the tenor model with a very cool Florentine cutaway.